Syvota is our first destination at the Ionian Sea on this channel. Judging by the people we saw, this seems to be a favorite place for the Greek tourists. Occasionally you would see people from the neighboring countries and some visitors from Western Europe.
Let's go.
Chocolate ice cream.
Most of the shops, restaurants and bars are situated very closely around the marina, and everything happens here and one street behind it. There is a school, markets and accommodation in the area further away from the marina, and this is where most of the tourists stay. Find a video of the hotel we stayed in here on our channel. We paid 110 euros for a night. This beach is 4 minutes by car from the center of the city. There are 4 beach bars. We came very late and stayed here for a very short period of time, and I can't tell you if the food or the service in general was good. What I'm going to tell you is that they tried to charge us 15 euros for 2 sunbeds in the first bar for a couple of hour stay, which is unheard of, so choose the OLIVA bar. which is on the other side of the beach. If you are fan of a pebbled beach, then this is the right beach for you. This beach is much smaller than the first one, and it's 15 meters by foot from the center of the city. Although the beach is pebbled, if you step 5 meters in the water, you're going to be walking on sand, and it's shallow for around 30 meters. It's very easy to hire a small boat that you can drive yourself here and everywhere in the city, and go to some of the beaches which can only be accessed this way. I recommend visiting Piscina and Bela Vraka beach, among many others. These beaches can also be reached by foot. So if you find our content useful, click the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews like this one, and spread the word by sharing the video with people that might find it useful. See you at the next destination, and remember, it's the journey that counts.